Hello and welcome to YouTestMe Get Certified. This tutorial will show you how to create a test with sections. You can use sections to represent different areas of knowledge or topics the test covers. Each section can have a specific question set and various settings. Navigate to the Tests option in the application's main menu and select the New Test option. Here you should enter the name, optionally a description, and a test label used for additional classification that will be displayed in every exported report. For example, classified, confidential. In YouTestMe Get Certified, you can create the tests with or without sections. Sections could represent different areas of knowledge or topics the test covers. To create a test with sections, tick the Test with Sections checkbox. After configuring some settings on the test level, you can attach a certificate for the candidates who pass the test. It will be shown to them at the end. If you do, a certificate builder will open up. You can customize it or use one of the pre-built templates. We are now in Test Section Wizard. To start adding sections, click on this button. As with test creation, enter the name, optionally a description and instructions specific to this section. Configure settings that will be specific to this section only. Set test section duration, page format, which refers to the number of tests displayed per page, visibility of report to student or answer feedback, enable notes, revisiting section, and so on. Remember that for Section Wizard, you can similarly apply setting templates created for tests. Here you can choose between the following methods for adding questions to your test. A. To create tests manually or add them manually from question pools. B. Generate completely different tests for different candidates. I will now demonstrate adding a couple of them from question pools. After that, you can review the section information and add another one. Once you've created all your sections, you can save the changes and return to the main test wizard. Here you can choose how the passing mark will be expressed, in points or percentages. Set the value of the passing mark, and decide whether the passing mark will be inclusive or not. This is the review of the whole test, from which you can click the Finish wizard if you are satisfied. We should organize a testing session to distribute this test to candidates. Testing sessions specify who and when can take the test. Now let's create one. Give it a name and define the period when candidates will be able to take the test. Optionally associate this session with a specific location, group, and training course. Save the session and assign candidates to this testing session as the last step. Go to the Candidates panel, select a testing session by clicking the plus icon, and tick which candidates can take the test. A final step is to publish the test. Now this test will appear in the My Assignments tab of all candidates who are assigned in session. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.